Drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Chase on Two Wheels here for an unboxing. Does the box say it? Of the Atlas 4.0 from our buddies over at Ruroc. So before we get into this box, we need to talk about what I'm looking for in the Atlas 4.0. I've got an entire spec document thing that we got Trey reading through right now, but I just watched through my Atlas 3.0 video, the actual review video, and from what I remember, or from what I said in that video, the things I'm looking for in a next-gen Ruroc helmet, I'm looking for updated padding, because for the price of this helmet, the padding should be super premium. Because of the shape of my head, I would like to be able to put it on a little easier. I would like the material of the chin skirt, like, you know, the little guy down here, the material that locks it into the helmet, I want that to be a little more secure. Something I noticed the other day, 90% of the time I ride with earplugs in, just normally. That's just my normal thing. That's in a Ruroc, that's in any other helmet. The other day, everybody here at the shop went for a ride with Triumphs, and we rode some Tiger 660s, had a great time, not gonna make a video on it. We rode 200 miles that day, and I had forgotten my earplugs. And I was in my Atlas 3.0. The helmet is loud. There's no way to get around it. So I'm hoping that this helmet is less loud than the other one. I'll still wear earplugs, but I think I would like to have a less loud helmet. Another thing we're looking for, something that I haven't experienced personally, but others in the shop have, is quality assurance on some of the helmets they got in. So we've got one shot here to see if the quality assurance is good. Hopefully it is. I imagine it will be, but the real test of that will be when we get all the other team helmets in. So we'll check it here, we'll go from there. Supposedly, Ruroc had shipping issues with their Atlas 3.0s. Clearly they learned from that, because they told me Atlas 4.0 will not go on sale until they are fully stocked in their warehouse. So shipping shouldn't be an issue. Totally different shipping situation. Regardless, unboxing Atlas 4.0. Let's do the thing. Let's see the updates. Now we know Ruroc's got the good insert premium integrated audio here. Okay, we have a full black box. We have the liquid carbon here. I decided to go with the same helmet that I currently have for my Atlas 3.0 because I love it. Look at this little vista. That's pretty cool. Okay, I gotta not do the ooh-ah because people make fun of me. I get excited about this, some people don't. Designed and engineered in the United Kingdom, so all you UK people, props to y'all. Visor, is this my orange one or is this the black one? Let's find out. All right, so that's the smoked visor. I will not ride unless I have a red visor. This is what we're here for. Oh God. Okay. Unsuspecting at first. Okay, we have a little visor opening and close. That feels secure as hell. Okay, good. We got the same visor situation that's toolless. We love that. All right, chin skirt. First thing up. Now, against my better judgment, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this chin skirt out. Okay, vent in the front. There's a little open and close in the front. Feels pretty close to the other Atlas 3.0. Don't know if that's changed, but didn't have a problem with that previously. All right, I'm going to, oh wow. The material at the bottom of the padding, whoa, that, can you grab me a black nondescript motorcycle helmet so that I can, or the padding out of a nondescript motorcycle padding that starts with a S. Can you do a jumpy boy? If you could hand me that padding, please, Bo. This is thicker than this. Okay, so all right, before we get into the padding, padding's a big deal. We've got some pretty durable looking material here on the bottom of the padding, but I'm gonna pull out the chin skirt against my better judgment to see what they're secured in there with. That feels way more, so I feel that. That doesn't have that as much of a flimsy feel as the other one. It's still not a super hard material, but yeah, so this is a big deal. Yeah, so now I gotta get the chin skirt back in. Okay, that snapped in. I didn't see where this one is. Oh, I see it now. Okay. All right. Okay, chin skirt went back in. That was a big deal for me personally. All right, so we still got the fidlock buckle. I personally, I really do love the fidlock buckle. Taking the helmet off with that is so easy. Should I just try it on? Should I just like go for it before I start tearing into it? Yep. So trying on the Atlas 3.0, I have to do my little ear tuck situation. I don't think I've ever put a helmet on where I don't have to do the ear tuck situation, but that is a thing. So how do you pronounce the R-H-E-O-N? Rheon? Rheon? There's some extra protection. As a shot, we're calling it Rheon. All right, Atlas 4.0 helmet try on. This might be wrong size. Okay, we were warned for this. So with the Atlas 4.0, they have changed the padding and the internals so much so that the fitment is a little tighter. Do you fit that on your head?
I don't know if I'm getting it off, boy.
Yeah, I didn't. Well, come over here so people can hear you. Bo and I wore the same size Atlas 3.0. That is, your face is smooshed. Could you tell anything from having it on, since now we're gonna have to order a large? Oh, that's a note. I wore a medium Atlas 3.0. I clearly wear a large Atlas 4.0. So you have to do our initial padding impressions.
There's a lot more of it.
Uh-huh.
The material feels a lot better against the face. It's not that weird neoprene thing.
Do you think that is an upgrade from the 3.0, personally?
The padding itself, what I'm trying to feel for is multi-density.
I know for a fact it's multi-density. I was told that.
Yeah, I can feel it here, because if you feel right here, and just put light pressure right where that is.
Okay.
Feel how that is? Now go past that point and push down slowly.
Yeah, you can
feel that little top piece feels a lot. I mean, overall, the insides feel better.
How did it feel on the head?
Well, here's the weird thing, is once it was on the head, I was a little smooshed. The padding is much, much thicker.
Yeah, incredibly thick.
So, how does it break in is going to be the real question. Are we going to get a large and it's going to fit great, but then it breaks in light?
Yeah, so that'll be a long-term review situation. I guess the only thing we can really talk about, we got DOT, we got ECE rating. So the 3.0 got sharp 4-star or whatever.
Yeah.
All right, so at this point we're on pause. If you're ordering an Atlas 4.0 and you had a 3.0, order a size down, because your face needs to be tight, but not. Wait, what did I say?
You said down.
If you have a medium, order a large.
Down.
If you have a medium, go large. Huge difference with that. And we will continue this once we get a large and I can try one on and tell you guys. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Shout out to the dudes over at Ruroc. They were able to get us a large back in the shop within a few days, so you guys are awesome. So I'm gonna unbox this super fast and we'll catch back up to where we just were. Ooh, they sent a Mercury one. Check that out. I haven't got to see one of these yet. Alrighty guys, so we have the Atlas 4.0 Mercury here, and this is going to look so much better with the black visor, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop it on real quick. Just as it should be. Alright dudes, black visor on the Mercury, looking so much better. Look how clean, I guess you guys need to see it on that camera, look how clean the top of it is now. So one of the things Ruroc did was take out the vents in the top to give it more aerodynamicness and I guess cut down on the wind that you would hear inside the helmet. The main thing I want in this helmet, updated padding and less wind noise. If I get that, Chase will be a happy boy. And hopefully you guys can see we've got all these brand new internals. So It does feel heavier as a helmet. I will note that as well. Tucking my ears, that's not a big deal. Every helmet in existence needs that, and that does not feel like a Ruroc helmet at all. These pads are so much thicker. Like, you can tell instantly. Like, even pulling them on, putting the helmet on, they push in and they hold your head so much tighter, but not in like a bad way. Actually, hold on. Comes off way better. So the ear holes are relatively, I want to try to put this on without tucking my ears in and see how that works. Oh my God. My ears actually, they bend in when I pull it on, and then when the ear holes get in, they pop into the ear holes. That's awesome. Okay, so a large, if you guys fit into a medium Atlas 1, 2, or 3.0, you definitely need a large. This feels great. Alrighty dudes, fitment, large feels so much better. Night and day difference. But the main question is, when I'm riding, and I'm not gonna put my earplugs in, what does it sound like? So the fitment was one of the huge deals. Love to see that that's changed, or better, I guess. So let's jump on a bike, let's go ride real quick, and let's find out what it feels like after that, because that's what we need to know. Alrighty guys, just got back from that little ride around our floopy loop, and here's the things that initially popped out to me. One, the fit of this helmet is so much different than the Atlases in the past. I find that the Atlases in the past seem more, I don't want to use the word comfortable, they were more soft, whereas this has a very distinct difference of feel where you feel like the helmet is holding you in key positions throughout the whole thing. I can feel it specifically up here in my cheeks. There's a good firm like grasp, I guess. There's a strong hold in the back, not uncomfortable, but just like, hey, I'm holding you good. The helmet feels incredibly light. I don't know if that's because I don't have all my GoPro stuff on it for motovlogging or whatever, but you guys probably saw the clip. I'm moving my head all around. The helmet feels like there's no drag, which is really cool. So I don't have the pin lock in this visor. You know, they're pin lock ready for the visors, but it's kind of cold out today. So when I would breathe, it would fog the visor a little bit, and then it would like unfog relatively quickly. So I thought that was pretty cool. Most of the time I've got pin locks in mine anyway, so fogging's not really an issue. So as far as wind noise, it's still got a lot of wind noise, but if an Atlas 3.0 was like a 9 out of 10, I would probably put this at like a 6 out of 10. The wind noise is better, but it's still definitely there. At the end of the day, it is a carbon fiber helmet. It is a lighter helmet, so I think we're always gonna have some sort of wind noise because of the style of helmet it is. The one thing that I really loved was putting the helmet on. My ears, I don't know if I've ever worn a helmet where my ears had enough room except for that. Typically my ears are always bent. It's why if you guys ever see a video and I'm putting a helmet on, if it's a Ruroc, if it's any other helmet, I put it on halfway, I tuck my elf ears in and then pull the helmet down. I can legitimately just, my ears go in and then they're super comfortable, and I feel a lot of the helmet being held right there. It's firm, but it's comfortable. So overall, pretty solid. Obviously, one of the big tests with this padding, since the padding is such a big deal for this helmet, is we have to see how it breaks in. That is going to be incredibly important. So this is an unboxing. It's a 6 out of 10 on the noise scale. Feels way more secure, but you guys know we spend a lot of time riding here in the shop, so give me a few months with this where we're riding every single day, and we'll see how it gets after. We'll do like a 6-month review. Maybe not 6, maybe like a 1-month review. 1-month review should be good. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned. We'll give you a 1-month review. We'll let you know how it's breaking in, how the wind noise is. If I can figure out this whole visor thing, of course, I do it perfectly as I'm complaining. We'll rig one of these up for our motovlogging helmet, and this is what we will be doing videos in moving forward. I think I've got a liquid carbon coming in, so visually it probably won't change unless you guys notice like tiny little details up there. That's the Atlas 4.0 from Ruroc. Initial thoughts, easily the best one they've done out yet. I mean, hopefully it's, you know, iterations. So hopefully the 4.0 is better than the 3, 2, and 1.
God, could you imagine if it was worse?
If it was worse, that would, I don't know what that would be. But yeah, guys, this is, you know, like I know a lot of comments out there, it's an expensive helmet, but I can't lie, it's feeling pretty damn solid. All right, guys, that's it. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, hey, it's a premium helmet, so it better have all that stuff. I honestly feel like it does. I don't feel like this helmet is missing out on anything right now that would not make it worth that 400 up price point. So nice job, Ruroc. We love to see these guys like constantly making iterations and listening to us. Oh, let's talk about this. ECE R22-06 rated, DOT rated. It's a safe helmet. That's all I'll say on the safety thing. All right, dudes, that's it for us. Make sure to like the video if you like this video, and comment below. Are you guys excited for the Atlas 4.0? Are you gonna grab one on February 18th when they go live? Let us know in the comments down below. Outro crew, if you made it to the end of the video, put OC in your comment. We love you guys extra long time, and answer the question I just asked you. Love you. Goodbye. Put an OC in it though, so I know you made it to the end. All right, that's a wrap. That's a wrapped up with a bow because it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you people watching. Yeah.